Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For just for the purpose of it, I just thought I should make a video on how to tie a tie because I didn't know how to tie a tie either, and I decided to share this video with you guys. And I had to actually watch a few videos. So basically, I have a collar shirt. I have the long end of the tie, the thick part of the tie in my right hand, and I have this thin part of the tie in my left hand. And basically, you wanna make the long part as long as longer than the. You wanna make the thick part longer than the skinny part. So let me stand up for you guys. And you want to make sure it's lined up underneath the collar. I hope you guys find this video helpful because, like I said, I had to watch like three, four videos before I got the hang of it. But here's what we working with. And I'm gonna wrap this around, cross it, go underneath the skinny part, the thick part around the skinny part. You wanna wrap the thick part over top and bring it around like a cross. And you wanna bring it in front like that, kind of like a zigzag. You wanna take the thick part and push it through the top hole. And you're gonna put it through this little pocket right here. I hope I'm doing right. Yep. And you wanna adjust the tie like that. Now, I noticed the tie did have like a little loop hole in the back of it where you could put the skinny part in, just so that it's not longer than the skinny part is not longer than the thick part. Let me see. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, it's still a little longer, but that's okay. Just adjust it like that. And you could just go back, because once you put it through that little loophole that's on the thick part, you could always go back in and just put it through again, so that the skinny part is behind the thick part. Like this. And that's how you tie a tie. And that's how you tie a tie. You could just adjust it. If you need to loosen up, I learned also, if you need to adjust loosen it up or put it tight, you just go behind here and adjust with the skinny part. And that's how we tie a tie. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.